At the core of each veterinary clinic stands a vigilant protector, safeguarding the health and happiness of our beloved furry companions, working diligently behind the scenes. Meet Pearse, IMV's dedicated service engineer, specializing in maintaining healthcare machines for veterinary practices. From X-ray generators to ultrasound machines, Pearse's expertise keeps your critical equipment in top condition. Whether it's a routine checkup or an emergency repair, Pearse is always ready to spring into action. His unwavering commitment allows veterinarians to concentrate on their primary goal, providing the utmost care to animals. Our field service engineers are consistently devoted to ensuring the seamless operation of keeping your practice running smoothly. At IMV Imaging, our dedicated field service engineers place your needs front and center.